Working principles of EDM. EDM is electric discharge means working principles. The summarize the material removal in EDM mainly occurs due to the formation of shock waves as the plasma channel collapse owing to discontinuation of applied potential difference. Generally, the workpiece is mag positive and the tool is negative. Hence, the electrodes strike the job, leading to create a formation due to high temperature and melting and material removal. Similarly, the positive ion impinge on the tool, leading to tool wear. In EDM, the generator is used to apply voltage pulses between the tool and job. A constant voltage is not applied, only sparking is desired rather than arching. Arching leads to localized material removal at a particular point, whereas sparks get distributed all over the tool surface, leading to uniform material removal. These are the working EDM spark descriptions. Plasma channel. Tool wear slowly. Identify the marks. These are the dielectric flow. Solidified metal removal. These are the liquid metal in between the gaps. Heat affected slowly in this zone. Workpiece is called as positive terminal, tool wear is negative. These are the plasma channel, vapor forming slowly. These are the crater, the recast layer. These are the EDM spark description. EDM power control circuits. Two broad categories: generated power supplies are in use on EDM. Commercially available RC circuits based on transistor control pulses. In the first category, the main parameter choose from the setup time at the resistance of resistors and capacitances of capacitors. In ideal conditions, this quantity would affect the maximum current delivered in a discharge. Current delivery in a discharge is associated with the charge accumulated on the capacitor at a certain moment. Little control is expected over the time of discharge, which is likely depend on the actual spark gap conditions. Advantages: RC circuit generator can allow the use of short discharge time more easily than pulse controlled generator. EDM power control and circuits. Also, the open circuit voltage between the electrodes when the dielectric is not broken can be identified as a steady postage voltage of RC circuits. In generator, based on the transistor control, user is usually able to deliver a train of voltage pulses to lead electrodes. Each pulse can be controlled in the shape, for instance, quasi-rectangular. In particular, the time between the two consecutive pulses and the duration of each pulse can be set. The amplitude of each pulse constitutes the open circuit voltage. Maximum duration of discharge is equal to duration of voltage pulse. Maximum current during a discharge that the generator delivers can also be controlled. EDM power and control circuits. Details of generator and control systems (EDM) are not always easily available to this user. This is a barrier to describing the technological parameters of EDM process. Moreover, parameters affecting the phenomena occurring between the tool and electrode are also related to motion controller of the electrodes, a framework to define and measure electrical parameters during an EDM operations directly on inter-electrode volume with oscilloscope external machines has been recently proposed by Ferri et al.